Again, this side Ravi from Learn and Grow channel. So this video is in continuation with my Python videos. So today we'll discuss print function in Python. So what is print function in Python and why we use it? Okay, this is a very simple function. This is used to print something you want to print on terminal. Suppose I want to print hello, how are you? Okay, then you simply save it and run it. So this will be displayed on the screen. Or suppose if you entered this in such a way, then this will not work. So if you want to print double quotes, so here you should enter single quotes, or you can do one more thing. You can and use triple single quotes also. And one more thing you can do, you can use triple double quotes also. So in this way you can do. So the main purpose is like this that is you are using. This should be different from this outside operator. So let me run it. Okay, so far clear. And print can be used to display variable. Suppose I have a variable x equal to 90 and I want to print the value of x. So what you want to print, and close it in quotes, value of x is, and then comma, and then your x. It should be without quotes. So now you run it. See, value of x is 90. Okay. You can use the escape sequence in, suppose I have uh, Amit and I want to separate it with, suppose, new line Kumar, and if I will run it, see Amit and Kumar on separate line. Suppose I want to use tab, I can use tab also. If I want to use backspace, this will do nothing, it will erase one character. So Amit Kumar. Okay. One very important thing that we will see is in print is separator. So what is separator? Why we use it, and what is significant if we provide it with the argument of print? So separator is nothing. By using separator, you can specify, how to separate the object. Okay. Default is space. Suppose I print 10, 20 and 30. So here if I will print it, you get 10, 20, 30. Now I want to separate these all the fields by a using separator equal to colon. So in this way you will see what will output. So your 10, 20, your field you can separate by using this. So you can specify whatever you want to use. Okay. Then one more concept is and. And when we use with the print option. So and option specify what to print at the end. Okay. Suppose I print here Amit or hello, and then I use here print hello Ravi. Okay, if I run it, see hello and Ravi are on separate line. Now I want that, so by default after hello a new line was printed. Now if I use and specify something like this, now see what will happen. Now hello and Ravi are separated by this and. So these were the main things that you need to know. and separator, and you can, so in your whole coming programming videos we will use print and input I have I already explained you. So I hope the print function is clear to you now. Maybe we will see the advanced level of print in upcoming videos. So I hope you like it and subscribe my channel. I will come again with more interesting video. Thank you. Stay safe.